Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is safe out there. So today I'm back with another vlog, which is day skincare regime. So guys, as you all know, the skincare is very important for all of us, and it really does not matter whether you have dry skin, combinational skin, whether you have oily skin. No, it does not matter. It does not even matter whether you're male, female, whether you have winter season, summer seasons, whether you're going under the sunlight, whether you are staying back at home. Caring of the skin is very essential in our lives. So although I have a dry skin, but I'm going to use the products which is available for all skin types. So let's start this video. So today I'm going to use the products which are available for all skin types, and guys, it's not necessary at all that you have to use a similar kind of product. You can go and you can try different products, the products which you are already using. You can use that also, whatever suits you, right? You can go for homemade recipes also. You can go with high-end products, with an affordable product. It does not really matter. What matters is that it should suit your skin, and your skin should be glowing and healthy. At the same time, you have to follow a healthy lifestyle also, because if you're using any of the product, if you're trying any of the recipe and still if you're not getting good result, it means that somewhere inside you have to look into, and you have to follow a proper healthy lifestyle. You have to take good food, and you have to follow proper regime, so that the outer products can work. So we'll start now. The first step which we usually do is face wash. Today I'm going to use a Wow face wash. It's a vitamin C foaming face wash. It has a brush at the top, and the bristles are really very soft. So let's start. You have to squeeze it from here. Excuse me guys if I do not use headband, because I generally don't use it. So you have to punch it like this, and it's going to bring the foam. Just rotate in a circle. So once this step is done, I'm going to wipe it out with wipes. If you wish, you can rinse with water also. Do not rub it too hard. You have to do it very gently. Do not make it very hard. Even if you use a towel, don't rub it very hard. Okay, so once the cleaning is done, I'm going to use the toner. So for the toner, I'm going to use a Minimalist. This is a pH balanced toner, and it does not matter you use the same. You can use any toner, because toners are basically used for pore tightening and for pH balancing, and it removes excess dirt and gives clarity on the skin. So I'm going to use this Minimalist. So I'm going to open the lid and going to take 3 drops. You can use cotton pads also, but I'm going to use the fingertips. Like this, we are going to spread it, and we are going to move in a circular motion. So as you can see the effect, it gives you a clarity as it removes the excess dirt. Okay, so we'll wait for 2 to 3 minutes, and then we are going to use a serum. Okay guys, so now I'm using a face serum, and so for the face serum I'm using this product from Minimalist. This is a vitamin C face serum, and this is actually for illuminating skin. So you have to take like 3 drops on your palm, and you have to apply these 3 drops on your skin. So I'm just going to spread these drops on the skin, and I'm going to spread it using the fingertips. This is highly effective. Make sure you do not use more than 2 to 3 drops, because 2 to 3 drops are sufficient. Okay, now once this is done, so we are going to wait for another 2 to 3 minutes so that the skin can absorb it, and then we are going to apply the moisturizer. Okay guys, so now we are going to apply the moisturizer on the skin. So moisturizer is a very important ingredient in your skincare, and in order to apply that, I'm going to use the MAC strobe cream today. This is a pink light strobe cream. You have to use your fingertips in order to apply it on the skin. So I'm going to use it. Guys, as you can see, this is a very hydrating moisturizer. Can you see my face? I'm not sure how much visible it is in the camera, but you can see the effect, how beautiful the effect is. Can you see the effect? This cream has a little shimmer on it, and when you apply it on the skin, you get an instant glow on the skin. So you can wear it anytime, like you can wear it in the day also, at the night also. It gives you a very radiant look. So now once the moisturizer is done, I'm going to apply this under eye cream, and for that I'm using Am Caffeine under eye cream today. Some people use this kind of, cream before the moisturizer. But I use it after the moisturizer also. It actually reduces the water retention. That's why I use the coffee product when I use an under eye cream. So guys, we are almost done, and now the last product which I have is the sunscreen. So this I have from Mamaearth. This is an SPF 50, and even if you do not go out under the sunlight, then also I would recommend you to use the sunscreen, because sunscreen is something which actually protects your skin. Again, this is for all skin types, but still it's not necessary that you have to use the same. If you're already using a product which is suitable for your skin type, you can use the same also. Okay guys, so the last step is the lip balm. So I'm using petroleum jelly from Vaseline. Sorry, the label is out. I'm going to show you from inside. So I'm using this Vaseline from a very long time for my lips. I actually use it throughout the year. It heals your cracks within hours. It has such an amazing effect. It's very simple, affordable, with high-end results. Okay guys, so we are done with the day skincare regime, and you can see how my skin is glowing. It's hydrating so naturally, and I feel so good in this. सो गाइस, आपको मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल। आई होप यू हैव एन्जॉयड दिस वीडियो। अगर आपके कोई भी सजेशंस होंगे प्लीज़ पुट इट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बॉक्स एंड आई एम डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू रिप्लाई इट। अगर आपकी कोई एडवाइस है, आपको कोई कुछ भी आपको कहना है, कोई आपकी सजेशंस है, कोई क्वेश्चन है, प्लीज़ मेंशन इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बॉक्स एंड आई एम डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू आंसर दोज। So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have loved this video. Bye bye. Take care.